This video covers the installation of the SS Solar Smart Trickle Charger for boat and RV storage facilities. Before we start, here is a list of materials needed to complete the installation. Materials provided with your kit include the solar panel, panel mount and feet, wire, and weatherproof wire connectors. Materials you may need to complete installation but are not provided in your SS Solar kit include 1/2 inch conduit and rain-tight fittings, weatherproof junction box or weatherhead, roof flashing, roof sealant, wire crimpers, and self-tapping screws. Start by identifying a central canopy post where you want the Smart Trickle Charger to be located. If you're installing on an interior unit, locate a central metal stud where you want the Smart Trickle Charger located. Now that you have determined your mounting location, drill a hole in the roof and mount your conduit. Install the conduit from the canopy roof to the junction box. If installing on an interior unit, attach the low-voltage wire along the stud with a cable clip every few feet. Next, mount a weatherproof junction box in the unit at the bottom of your conduit. You'll want to use a flashing and sealant designed for flexible metal roofs. When complete, make sure the flashing is completely sealed on top and bottom to prevent leaks. Fish the wire from the roof down the conduit into the unit and install a rainproof junction box or weatherhead on your conduit. Feed the wire through the gland on the solar panel junction box and use a voltmeter to determine the positive and negative terminals on the solar panel. Then land the wires on the correctly identified positive and negative terminals. If your solar panel uses wire rings, crimp on the supplied wire rings. Screw the wire rings to the proper positive and negative terminals and screw the junction box closed. Adjust the panel mounts to fit the roof location and tighten. After, ensure the panel is facing south, east, or west. Never face the panel north, since it won't get good sun exposure. Then attach the provided feet with sealant. If you have a standing seam roof, use the provided standing seam clamps. Angle the panel to about 25 degrees for the best sun exposure. Make sure to leave a rain loop on your wire between the panel and the conduit so water can drip off freely. Inside the unit, crimp on the weatherproof connectors. Make sure to install the female pins into the male plugs. Next, clip on the weatherproof connector. When facing the plug, the red wire should always be on the left. Slide the weather-tight plugs into place on the rear and check the voltage of the plug to make sure everything is connected properly. This completes the SS Solar Smart Trickle Charger installation. The unit is ready to use with the supplied SS Solar Smart Charge controller.